Paperclip AI SEO agents are insane, and I'm going to show you exactly how we used it to rank on Google and inside AI mode at the same time. So here's what this is. Paperclip is an open-source AI agent platform. It launched on March 4th, 2026. Within 3 weeks, it had crossed 30,000 GitHub stars. By April, it was past 42,000, with over 6,400 forks. That's one of the fastest growing AI projects in history. And the reason people lost their minds over it is this. It lets you build an entire team of AI agents, give them roles, give them tasks, and have them work together like a company. Not a single chatbot, a full org chart, a CEO agent, an SEO agent, a content writer, a link builder, all of them coordinated, all of them running in the background, all of them doing work while you're not looking. And the thing I want to show you today is how we plugged this directly into our SEO pipeline and how you can use it to rank not just on Google, but inside ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google's AI mode too. Because here's the reality of search right now. AI node just crossed 1 billion monthly active users globally. 1 billion. Brands that get cited inside AI responses are earning 35% more organic clicks than competitors who don't. So the game isn't just rank on Google anymore, it's get cited everywhere, get named in the AI answer. And Paperclip gives you the agent team to do exactly that, at scale, without doing it manually. Let me break down the system we built. We call it the Goldie ranking swarm. 7 AI agents. Each one has a job. One scouts keywords, one writes the content, one optimizes it, one handles internal linking, one publishes it, one does link building outreach, one tracks the rankings and reports back. The whole pipeline. 7 agents, 0 manual steps. Before this setup, the process was painful. Manually guessing keywords, writing articles one at a time, chasing backlinks by hand, publishing, formatting, waiting months to see if anything moved. That was the old way. And the problem wasn't effort. The problem was speed. You can't outproduce AI at scale doing it by hand. Now, the Keyword Scout agent pulls search data, finds gaps, identifies what we can actually rank for. The content agent writes an optimized article. The link builder, and this part is genuinely impressive, we actually connected Hermes agent to an email inbox. We gave it the instruction, find 5 relevant websites per day and send a personalized outreach email for backlinks. It runs on a schedule, every single day, without touching it. That's the kind of thing that used to take a full-time hire. And the results we've seen. One of the sites we run went from 1 click a day up to a peak of 206 clicks per day, just from getting the system working properly and letting the agents run. Now, Paperclip itself is the key piece here, because it's what holds the whole thing together. Without it, you've got AI tools scattered everywhere. You've got Claude in one tab, a keyword tool in another, Hermes in a separate window, no way to see what any of them are doing. No coordination, no shared goal. If you've ever had Claude Code, Hermes, and Codex all running at once with no idea which one is doing what, that's the exact problem Paperclip solves. One dashboard. Every agent has a named role. Every task is a ticket. You can see in real time what's happening, what's been completed, and what's next. Think of it like a project management tool. But instead of assigning tasks to humans, you're assigning them to AI agents. And the agents just do it. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, we've already built the full agent OS around this. Paperclip, Hermes, Obsidian, all wired together into one downloadable zip file. Members are using this right now to run SEO workflows for their own businesses. If you want to get the full system, the agent setup, the org chart, the SEO pipeline, the prompts, it's all inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We've got a 30-day roadmap specifically for setting this up. Step-by-step coaching calls every week where we walk through exactly how to use Paperclip for SEO. And if you want a free personalized SEO strategy session with my team, a custom game plan to rank your website and get more backlinks from Google and AI search, go to go.juliangoldie.com/strategy-session. Link in the description, where we'll build out a custom game plan for your site. So back to the system. Let me walk through exactly how the 7 agents work together, because this is where it gets practical. The first agent is what I call the Keyword Scout. You give it your niche, it searches for keywords, pulls search volume data, checks competition levels, identifies gaps where you can actually rank. For the AI Profit Boardroom, for example, we give it the brief, find keywords that people search when they want to learn AI automation for business. It comes back with a prioritized list. No guessing, no spreadsheet. The second agent takes that keyword list and writes the content. And this isn't just generic AI content. The way we've set it up, the content agent has a brief that includes our positioning, our tone, the real examples and results we've actually achieved. So it's writing content that carries unique information. And that matters a lot right now. Google's official AI optimization guide, published May 15th, 2026, confirms this. First-hand content with a point of view, crawlable pages, written for humans. That's the recipe. Generic AI content with no original angle doesn't cut it. But content built around real results, real data, real positioning, that's what gets cited in AI mode and AI overviews. The third agent handles on-page optimization. It checks the structure, headings, internal links, schema markup. An April 2026 study found that AI search bots like ChatGPT User, Claude and Perplexity bot now crawl sites 3.6 times more than Googlebot. Your content has to be easy for AI to read and parse. The optimization agent handles that automatically. The fourth agent is the publisher. It deploys the article directly to the website. No copy-paste, no manual formatting. It goes live. The fifth agent does link building. This one is connected to Hermes. We give it a target URL, say, our best AI automation guide for the AI profit boardroom, and it finds 5 relevant websites per day, writes a personalized outreach email, and sends it. Every day. On schedule. We've seen this consistently land backlinks from sites with real authority. Outreach that used to take hours now just happens. The sixth agent handles citation tracking, specifically monitoring whether our content is being cited inside ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI mode. Because ranking on the traditional sort is one thing, but earning a citation inside an AI response now delivers stronger commercial results than a top organic position alone. That's where the real traffic is moving. So we track it. The agent checks, reports back, and flags gaps. The seventh agent is analytics. It watches the rankings, monitors traffic trends, and gives a weekly summary. So every Monday morning, there's a report waiting. What moved up, what dropped, what needs attention. The whole thing runs, and you're watching it run. Now, people push back on this. The common objection I hear is AI content doesn't rank. And honestly, that's partially right. Generic AI content with no point of view, no unique data, that doesn't rank. Never has. But that's not what this is. The content the agents write is built around real results, real community data, real examples from inside the AI profit boardroom. That's different. Now let me talk about the difference between using Paperclip for this versus just using Hermes directly, because I get asked this a lot. If you've already got Hermes, why do you need Paperclip on top of it? Here's the honest answer. Hermes is great for talking to a single agent. You can have multiple profiles, switch between them, give tasks. But if you want a coordinated SEO team, where the keyword agent hands off to the content agent, which hands off to the optimizer, which hands off to the publisher, you can't do that inside Hermes alone. There's no org chart, no project management, no way to visualize what's been built, no way to see what's been completed versus what's pending. Paperclip gives you all of that. It's the layer that turns individual agents into a functioning team. Inside the AI profit boardroom, the Agent OS zip file has Paperclip, Hermes, and Obsidian all pre-configured and wired together. You download it, install it, follow the setup guide, and your agent team is ready. Members in the community have already been using this setup to run SEO pipelines for their own businesses. Not hypothetically, running it now. And the prompts are in there too. The exact instructions we give each agent. The keyword brief, the content brief, the outreach templates, everything is inside the zip file, so you're not starting from scratch. The piece that makes this especially powerful right now is timing. AI mode has 1 billion monthly users, and queries are doubling every quarter. That's the search surface growing fastest, and most businesses have no system for showing up inside it. They're writing articles by hand, guessing at keywords, doing outreach manually, and wondering why it's slow. This is the answer to that. One more thing on the citation side. LLM bots crawl websites 3.6 times more than Googlebot does right now. The AI systems are aggressively indexing the web. If your content is well-structured, has real original information, and is backed by links from legitimate sites, you will get cited. That's what we've seen happen consistently. It's not magic. It's just doing the fundamentals well at a pace that's impossible to match manually. And that's the whole point of the Goldie ranking swarm. You set the system up once, the agents run the pipeline, you review the weekly report, make adjustments, and it keeps going. The compounding effect of consistent publishing, consistent outreach, and consistent optimization is what builds rankings over time. And this setup does all of that without you having to be involved every day. Let me leave you with this. The businesses that figure out AI SEO agent systems early are going to be extremely hard to catch later. Links compound, rankings compound, citations compound. Every week of output from a 7-agent pipeline is a week your competitors who are still doing this manually can't close. That gap widens every month. If you want to get the full system, the Agent OS zip file, the Paperclip plus Hermes plus Obsidian setup, the 30-day roadmap for running an SEO agent pipeline, the coaching calls where we go through exactly how to set this up for your website and start getting it cited inside AI mode, it's all inside the AI Profit Boardroom. 3,200 business owners using AI agent setups right now. 4 coaching calls every week. Daily tutorials. Prompts for every part of the pipeline. A community member map so you can connect with other people running Paperclip and Hermes near you. Link in the comments and description, or go to AIProfitBoardroom.com. And if you want a free one-to-one SEO strategy session where we build a custom roadmap specifically for your website, figuring out exactly how to get you ranking on Google and cited inside AI mode, go to goldie.agency or hit the link in the comments and description to book your free session. We'll sit down, look at your site, and build the game plan with you. That's the link below. I'll see you in the next one.